In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty Google Drive trash all at once. If your storage is filling up or you just want a fresh start, clearing your Google Drive trash in one go is quick and easy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to clean up. If you use multiple accounts, glance at the profile icon in the top right to confirm you're in the correct one. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps menu. It looks like a small square made up of 9 dots. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From this menu, choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive where all your files and folders live. Once Drive is open, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Find the option labeled Bin. Depending on your region, it may be called Trash, but it's the same place where deleted items go. Click it to see everything you've recently removed. Think of this area like a safety net. Files here aren't gone yet, and by default, Google will permanently remove them after a set period, often around 30 days. But if you want to free up space immediately, you can empty it all at once. At the top of the bin view, you'll see a button that says Empty Bin. If your bin is already empty, this button might be grayed out, or you'll see a message indicating there's nothing to remove. If you do have files in there, click Empty Bin. Google will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to do this. This is an important moment to pause and double-check. Once you confirm, the files will be deleted forever, and you won't be able to restore them from the bin later. When you're ready, click Delete Forever on the confirmation prompt. Google Drive will begin clearing everything in the bin. The time it takes depends on how many items you're deleting, but for most people it's very quick. When it's done, the bin will be empty, and you'll reclaim that storage space across Google Drive, Gmail attachments stored in Drive, and Google Photos if they count toward your quota. That's it. You've just emptied your Google Drive trash all at once. As a quick tip, check the storage indicator in Drive's left panel to see how much space you've freed. Keeping an eye on your bin periodically helps you stay organized and avoid hitting storage limits in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.